Everybody, they're trying to find a trustable non-profit that they could donate. My thing is, that was the previous world. Let's get Haiti into the new world, the crypto world. Decentralized finance, decentralized governance, self-governance. So without using all these technical terms that most of you don't understand, what I want to say is, here's what crypto is bringing as a possibility. I found a house. I just had to call with someone. The owners of the house are dead. They were employees of a non-profit organization. The house is in Okai. They died in the house protecting their children. Right? So they literally covered their children with their body to save them. So what I want to do, I want to tokenize that house. What I mean by tokenizing it, we're going to reach out to the family, create a wallet, where we're going to send Cardano to them wallet. For each square foot of that property, we're going to create one token. Is it going to be a token that already exists, like the little Haiti coin? Is it going to be an NFT? We're still working with different partners to figure it out. But what I really wanted to do now is to say that we found a house, we found two orphans that could benefit not from your donations, but they could benefit from your investment. Because it's not about just helping them today. It is about investing in them for the future. And to do that, you need to invest in Haiti. So how do we do that and keep everybody accountable? How do we establish transparency? Well, that's what crypto does. And I'm going to end this with a song that I wrote years ago. And I never thought that I would literally be in a situation where I could directly help them. So, in this song, is the father and the mom asking you to take care of their children. I wrote that song 10 years ago, and it goes like this. It's in French. Sur une île au destin tragique, dans une ville aux bâtiments fragiles, ma main droite posée sur ma Bible, j'ai vécu ce qui m'était possible. Malgré la famine, je suis resté digne de père de famille jusqu'à l'heure du séisme. Quand un frisson traverse mes terres, que le béton me couvre de poussière, quand mes enfants perdent père et mère, que leur prénom soit de vos prières, soyez leurs sœurs et frères. So I'm going to jump on the phone trying to figure out what are the name of these children. Where is the house? The square footage of that house, and bring that section in Haiti to you, the crypto world, and see what is it that we can do differently in order to change their reality. For more information, go to cardanobeach.com. I'll write the translation of that song in the comment section.